गजाननाय नमः ओम वक्रतुंडाय नमः ओम सोमकर्णाय नमः ओम हेरंबाय नमः ओम स्कंदपूर्वजाय नमः ओम कुमारगुरुवे नमः नित्यं भक्षेदा भगप्रणधर भगसंकराधो भगेवां धिरपदवदन्तः भगप्रणराजवारन्दाभः भवभवनकल्याणमानस्मसुं भवपुत्रलाभं सरं दीर्घमायुः आयुष्य. So please. Hey guys. Really an auspicious day for us, and we had found out this time, and it's a
because this is actually a moment for making India and Indo-Japan bilateral friendship. I was with Mr. Suzuki a couple of days back when the two Prime Ministers came in Hyderabad House. I saw his commitment there, and today this is an endorsement, testament to his commitment to Indian air conditioning industry. Considering that the site is in southern India, it was a very strategic decision to be near biggest ports for exports and the domestic market hubs of Chennai, Hyderabad and Bangalore. So His Excellency, I would like to take that pride in informing that today Daikin has established in India also as the #1 air conditioning company from Japan. I also must take this opportunity to congratulate Mr. Senna Reddy for creating this wonderful place called Sri City. Indeed, he and his team acted with such speed when I met him first couple of months back only, acted with such a speed and velocity to get us on the board and clarifying and cleaning all our doubts and inhibition.
I'm very pleased to join you today to celebrate another big step for Daikin India, as well as the economic partnership between Japan and India. In fact, Daikin India has contributed significantly to the build-up of India's manufacturing sector and its capacity by nurturing skilled workers, skilled engineers, and creating a rich network of component suppliers in India for more than 20 years. Daikin's expansion to southern India will further allow them to serve not only the people in India, but also for the people of Asia and Africa as well. I take this opportunity to thank the state of government of Andhra Pradesh and the government of India for the excellent support.
It is unique time, historic time. I don't have any words to describe. I was sitting here looking back. I was thinking, #1 from the world, with from #1 partner of Sri City in #1 state of India to do business, ease of doing business. As most of you know, Andhra Pradesh is ranked #1 in ease of doing business in India. So this unique combination comes very rarely. It is really overwhelming. Today, I was happy to hear they are building one of the largest plant in India and also maybe in the Southeast Asia. And more importantly, time has come now where we can align what Sri City is all about. Sri City is all about bringing jobs to this backward area, especially to women employment, and also take unskilled and semi-skilled people, train them and put them into jobs. I think Daikin, sharing a lot of phone calls with Mr. Java as he is taking the spearheading the skill development in India, JIT, Japan Institute of Training Institute, JITs. We have lot of things in common as organizations. Sri City and Java, our philosophy of empowering women, creating jobs, and I think you have chosen the right place. We will be, in true spirit, Sri City is already home to 200 plus industries, majority from Japan, about 27